Hey guys, just quick announcement here. This Friday, that's June 19th, I think, 7 p.m., that's Eastern Time, with Cheftush, David Tushingham. If you don't know him, check here his channel and subscribe. He's a really knowledgeable restorer. We're gonna do a live session, something like Q&A, questions and answers. He can answer most of the questions that you have. I will try to, but I'm afraid of live cameras, they bite. So if you like, just be there. Again, June 19th, Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And it's gonna be on Cheftush's channel, not mine. I'm gonna put maybe here the channel name and everything, and link over there to his channel so you can subscribe in advance. Of course, I'm gonna post it after that on my Facebook and everywhere, so you're gonna be able to see it if you miss it. But if you want to be live there and ask questions, just be there. So see you then. Bye.